Ukraine tactics inspire U.S. Army's drone evolution, the American age of bomb-dropping drones. The U.S. Army is advancing its efforts to arm small commercial drones, drawing inspiration from the tactics used by Ukrainian and Russian forces. Within the next year, 2 selected companies will showcase payload systems that can deploy standard munitions like 40mm or 60mm grenades. The specific companies have not been disclosed but are employing drones from the Pentagon's Blue UAS list, which features commercial drones approved for military use. Commercial drones rigged to drop explosives are common in the conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Some modifications to the drones can be triggered using standard controls. Despite the potential advantages, weaponizing these drones requires nerve. An experienced Ukrainian operator admitted to assuming the role due to his fearlessness in making the required drone modifications. 2 other companies are progressing towards providing soldiers with drones armed with more advanced munitions. One of these is working on a lightweight drone capable of launching a precision-guided missile. The Army Applications Laboratory is exploring drones that can serve as loitering munitions, converting them into DIY suicide drones, a tactic seen with Ukrainian and Russian forces. In an effort to incorporate lethal drones within infantry units, the Army unveiled the Lasso project. By 2024, they aim to equip infantry brigades with portable loitering munitions. While current U.S. Army loitering munitions are expensive, costing around $6,000 each, Ukrainian counterparts are considerably cheaper, sometimes as low as $200. Affordable drones would enable more extensive hands-on training for soldiers, enhancing their combat readiness and skill set. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.